Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check gold points on Nintendo Switch 2. To check gold points, you'll need to go to the eShop. Now select your profile. Now click on your profile icon in top right corner, but I think I may need to verify first with my QR code. Now here click on your profile icon in top right corner and you'll basically see your gold points as well as how much money in your currency does it equal to. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.